At the University of Hull, there's no single path into nursing. Whether you're starting fresh, changing direction, or bringing life experience, you'll find your place here. Supported by expert staff and your peers, you'll develop the skills to advocate and care for every patient you meet. Whether you want to support adults, young people, or those with additional needs, you'll develop the confidence and skills to make a real difference. From placements to simulated emergencies, you'll learn how to provide care when it matters most. Train to become a fully qualified nurse on our Nursing and Midwifery Council approved courses, learning in specialist facilities from hospital wards to neonatal and critical care units. Nursing isn't just a career, it's a calling. And with access to training grants or the option to earn while you learn through an apprenticeship, you'll have the support and resources you need to thrive. Want to change lives? Start with yours.